You're most welcome in our institute.
KP Singh, Memorial Institute of Pharmacy.
Happy Pharmacist Day 2024.
We are not doctors, but we are the guardians of public health and medicine experts.
Manufacturing of soft gelatin capsules. Packaging. Granulation line.
Capsule filler.
Lifting column. Tablet press.
Magic of chemistry.
Drug Inspector of Uttar Pradesh, Dr. Saurav Dubey. Drug Commissioner General of India, Dr. Rajiv Singh Raghuvanshi. President of Pharmacy Council of India, Dr. Montu M. Patel.
Presented by Muhammad Saad, B Farm first year. Thank you so much for watching